If you're a beginner photographer, I would suggest photographing everything and every style to find what you're truly passionate about. I believe this is not only the best way to discover the type of photography you love the most, but it also compels you to learn photography in a way that watching YouTube videos can't. The idea is to get in the field and get your hands dirty, because exploring various photography styles is crucial for not just skill development, but for personal growth as well. For example, concert photography taught me how to shoot in low light and how to freeze action with a fast shutter speed. Portrait and lifestyle photography taught me how to work with lighting and how to direct the subject on a shoot. Real estate photography taught me the power of the aperture and that you don't always have to shoot with it wide open. Nature photography taught me composition and how to take my time while setting up the shot. Wedding photography taught me to search for those fleeting, candid moments that are not only filled with love and emotion, but also tell a story. And in each and every one of these photography styles, you'll learn to edit photos that feature different lighting environments, subjects with different skin tones, different shades of color, the list goes on and on. Of course, for me, my go-to genres where I found the most fulfillment and in turn success are concert and adventure style photography, as reflected on my 2 Instagram accounts and my website. And the good news is that after those countless hours of capturing photos in the field, you too will find yourself gravitating towards a specific type of photography genre and editing style, because it was the most fun and fulfilling for you. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. If you already have a specific photography genre that you prefer, or you end up finding one after watching this video, definitely let me know what it is in the comments below. And it's not limited to everything I mentioned. There's fashion photography, food photography, street photography, the list goes on. From here, suggest heading over to this playlist for more photography tips and tricks. Find a video that catches your attention, and I'll see you there.